In the southwest corner of Portugal, we are growing an ecosystem restoration community hub at Quinta, Vale. Situated on an estuarial nature preserve, a sort of oasis in touristic Algarve, threatened by the forces of desertification on all sides. Multiple initiatives activate the vision of regenerating soils and local ecosystems, grow nutritious food, and nourish communities through diverse educational programs. Holding water in the landscape, improving the health of soils, and increasing vegetation cover all buffer the effects of drought while mitigating climate change. In a context of global ecosystem collapse, aiming for sustainability is just not enough. Considering the size of our inevitable ecological footprint, we must aim to have a regenerative handprint that is even greater. Our main purpose is to connect people of all ages with each other and with nature, empowering them with the tools, skills and mindsets needed to be effective agents of regeneration. This is a call to action. Join the movement. Lend us a hand. We are facing the greatest challenge of our times. Can we do it on time? Only time will tell.